Guesswork is never part of the equation at Pharmanex. Every aspect of Pharmanex is deeply rooted in the science of better health and supporting your efforts to lead a life full of vitality. Pharmanex is the difference demonstrated in our research, in our technology, and in our products, because improving your life is our #1 concern.
The Pharmanex Biophotonic Scanner makes it easy to determine the level of antioxidant protection in your body. The Biophotonic Scanner functions on the principle of reflected and scattered light, called Raman spectroscopy. Available exclusively through Pharmanex, today's scanner model takes a quantum leap forward in Raman spectroscopy. To understand the scanner technology, you must first understand light. White light have all different wavelengths represented by colors. The scanner produces a narrow beam of light in which all of the photons are the same color, blue, but a blue that is specifically 473 nanometers in wavelength. When a 473 nanometer photon of light comes into contact with a carotenoid, something interesting happens. The 473 nanometer photon becomes a 510 nanometer photon and turns green. Because the number of photons generated is proportional to the concentration of carotenoids in the skin, these green photons are then counted to provide the carotenoid score.
Pharmanex Biophotonic Scanner technology is setting new standards for people who want to improve their antioxidant health. Raman spectroscopy is Nobel Prize-winning technology that is used for biological measurements and is an established scientific discipline backed by years of research. Now, thanks to Pharmanex, this same technology is now used to improve people's lives.
The technology used in the Pharmanex Biophotonic Scanner was originally developed by researchers at the University of Utah to study carotenoids in the macula of the eye. Originally, the scanner took up an entire room. Pharmanex used the same technology to develop the Pharmanex Biophotonic Scanner, which measures carotenoid antioxidants in the skin. As part of the development of the scanner, the Pharmanex Research Institute has completed 3 clinical studies to date in order to validate the technology. Not only did we find that skin carotenoids measured by the scanner are highly correlated with carotenoid concentrations in the blood, but we found that skin carotenoids are actually less variable than carotenoid levels in the blood. This is not surprising, considering that blood carotenoids may be more influenced by day-to-day variation in dietary intake of carotenoids. What is exciting is that it tells us that skin carotenoids measured by the scanner are a better marker of long-term carotenoid status than blood carotenoids. Unlike other antioxidant testing tools, the Pharmanex Biophotonic Scanner is easy to use and non-invasive. It gives you an indication of your personal antioxidant protection status by measuring carotenoids in the skin right at their site of action. The scanner has been scientifically and clinically validated, and the global patent rights are licensed exclusively to Pharmanex. As part of our ongoing commitment to research and development, we continue to carry out studies on the scanner. In one such study, Pharmanex entered into collaboration with university researchers who are studying the effects of oxidative stress during extreme altitude mountain climbing. Upgrades made to the S2 model so that it could function at high altitude helped us to further refine the scanner technology and led to the newest version of the Pharmanex Biophotonic Scanner, the Everest Edition.